Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Toonkind at 12 frames per second. My name is Mock, and I will be playing Blink Lightly, and I'm joined here by my friend.
Hello, I am Launch, and I'm going to be playing Mercy Darling. I almost said I was Mock, but
That
it's that time of day.
I know we're the same person and all, but can you at least pretend for the microphone?
Yeah, I know. But we can't hide the truth.
Okay, so this is taking place. Did you want it to be like the night after, or like a couple nights after? Uh,
Honestly, I'm fine with like the night after. Just fucking wake up from nap. Hey, it's been a while.
All right, so this is taking place after the events of Dream Vacation. If you haven't listened to it, you should. Uni is extremely powerful and
Very
absolutely got my
powerful.
ass. So
It's a good game. It's a good game.
we just wanted to have some characters talk some things out. So if do you want it to be like immediately upon waking up or like that like
Man, we're really good at
night?
planning. I mean, they probably because I mean, Mercy went to sleep like immediately after.
Yes.
I assume Blink was like also kind of sleeping next to her.
Yeah, I mean he
So
did
they
say he wasn't going
probably
to move
fucked
from
up
that
their sleep
spot.
schedules. So it is reasonably probably some odd hours in the night.
Okay. I think that's pretty good. If I were to say that like Blink wakes up on Zan's bed, I don't know where Zan went. He's probably like on the couch somewhere. He's probably
They're
wherever
like
Blink
sleeping
usually
somewhere else.
sleeps. He's probably wherever
Aw.
Blink usually sleeps, honestly, because I know that will be a free bed. Um, I don't. I can't imagine him trying to move this group.
Oh no, this is their bed now. Sorry.
Physically, he couldn't in one case, and probably also couldn't in another case. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
but that's not why we're here. So if Blink wakes up, is Mercy still sleeping at this point?
Mercy's Mercy's probably still a little conked out. But she does seem to be forming like her normal self slowly but surely. Color's starting to come back that isn't just inky purple.
Okay. I think Blink kind of looks around, sees. This is also presuming that Larry fell asleep, or he just left and is not in the room. Both are very possible, I think.
Hmm. Yeah.
Not like
We'll
he
go
would
with
leave them,
one.
but like if he was, going to go do something. I
He's
don't know. He's
resting.
doing
It's
Larry
fine.
things right now. Um, he rolled under the bed and he's sleeping under
Yeah.
there. Shit. Okay. So I think Blink kind of blearily like sits up, rubs at his eyes. He's like, oh. Like looks at the like window. It's dark. Uh, are there lights in here? How lit is this room? Yo,
I
this room's
mean,
fucking lit.
it's probably dark now, considering considering that everyone in the room is sleeping.
Yeah. Well, not anymore. Um,
Thanks to the power of lamp.
he turns the light on. And he pulls back his sleeve and looks at about 8 watches on his wrist, on his arm.
Oh my God, my boy. Are they all a different time?
They're all set for different alarms. um,
Oh.
and it's just he just kind of nods, still sleepy. He's like, oh yeah, that, mm-hmm. Do you want to make me like a perception check at disadvantage? I want to see if the light alone wakes Mercy up.
Yeah.
Disadvantage because you are sleeping.
Mercy likes her nap.
No, she's so valid.
Mercy really like her nap.
Mercy sleep for 1,000 years.
1,000 year
I mean,
nap.
don't. It would be lonely without her, but
Probably like starts melting under the blankets to get away from the light.
Yeah. Did you roll?
I rolled in the completely wrong place. Holy hell.
What was the result of the roll, at least?
It's in Toonkind fan art. Oh my God. Just let me take a nap, please,
Oh
in
my
real
god,
life.
that's fucking amazing. Don't worry about it.
I'm a mess.
Just leave it. We can do it afterwards. We get rid of those. We can move those afterwards. Um, so yeah, I mean, I
Yeah,
think it's
Mercy's
at the point
Mercy's
where she could
content.
probably like wake up if she wanted to. But she probably doesn't want to. So,
She's awake but chooses not to get up as she just like goes under the blankets even more to get away.
and like kind of like looks around. I think he like does the thing where he kind of like hops off the bed and into his boots.
Oh. Oh well, if Blink's getting up, Mercy will peek to see what's going on. Blink,
Hmm? Oh, hi Mercy.
hello.
How are you doing?
I am awake.
Yeah, that's good. Me too. You want to get a snack?
Yes.
They go.
She actually gets to walk this time and not just slime,
Yay!
except it's
Does
just
she
basically a
say anything
glorified
like
slime.
that?
No, she just
Damn
like
it!
she's still slimy, but more like if the bottom of her dress was her slime. Now
Oh my god.
she's making the motions like she's actually
She's
walking.
leaving like little wet footprints or whatever.
Yeah, just a little trail with her dress.
Slime trail.
Little
Um,
slim trail.
and yes, they go over to the kitchen. I imagine it's mostly cleaned up at this point. I don't
If
know.
there's a fridge,
Yeah,
she's
I was gonna.
immediately looking for the freezer, and then, well, you know what comes next.
Man, I would imagine that there are still nuggets. There were a lot of
It
nuggets.
would it would be foolish to expend all the nuggets in one go.
I mean, hell, Blink might even have some that are like still frozen from their adventure at the grocery store.
This is true. That's, you know what? That's a good point.
I like the concept that Mercy, despite acquiring many nuggets, ate them all in that moment.
Yeah, I mean, that is a very Mercy move. She sees the nuggets, she eats the nuggets. It's very simple life. It's a
So
good
yeah,
life.
they get some nuggets going. Damn, how do you heat up nuggets without like a microwave? Do you put them on like a pan? You got a pan serum?
I mean, you put them in like I think you can put them in like a toaster oven or just straight up an oven.
Oh yeah, you could do oven. I mean, you probably pan serum too if you really wanted to. I'm thinking of soups is what I'm thinking of.
I don't know how to cook.
Alternate reality where Mercy is obsessed with soup. I am a soup.
She would be.
Okay, all
Oh,
right, okay. We get some nuggets going.
you know, it's a nice quiet nugget night as the gentle tick of the toaster oven waiting for the nuggets.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hmm?
so
So,
I didn't think much beyond that.
yeah. So,
How are you doing?
um, oh, just
I don't. That's why I asked.
yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. I'm okay right now.
Good. I
Maybe,
was worried.
yeah. Wait, about me?
Yes. And Larry.
Oh, well, I mean, you don't really have to worry too much.
You're in my head. I think I can be worried.
Blink like lifts a finger as if he's gonna say something, and then puts it back down. He's like, you know what? That's a good point, actually.
Hmm.
Right now, I'm just trying to get some snacks.
Snacks are good.
How about you?
I am awake.
Yeah, I think they
Yes.
like wait, like awkwardly for a second.
Yeah. They both are just like, chicken nugget. Let us not address what just happened.
And then with all the tact in the world, I think Blink just like goes like, so you stole that face, or he's like the worst.
Oh, just like the instant you say that, like she freezes and then starts to goop a little bit more and a little bit more.
Oh no, I don't mean like in a ah.
No, it's complicated. I
Do you want to talk about
didn't
it, or
mean to. I don't think. I don't know if I ever had a choice.
huh? Is that like a stars thing?
Maybe.
Hmm.
I'd like to think that they chose it for a reason, but
Blink just kind of like tilts his head. I like to imagine this is kind of probably where the oven like dings like super loud. It's
yeah.
just one very loud ding that just echoes through the house. I don't think anyone like wakes up or anything because I'm
No, no, we're
we don't
just
have the person who plays most of the characters in this house right now. Actually, all of the other characters in this house right now. Um, but I think Blink does like a like shushes the toaster.
yeah. Bap the toaster gently.
It like has like a I think it like opens the little toaster door and it's like you let me do my job, buddy.
Retrieve the
Yeah,
nuggets.
they retrieved the nuggets.
Abscond with nuggets. This is uh
Where do you think they would go?
Mercy doesn't know this house very well, so she would probably follow Blank.
Hmm. Hmm.
Or she would just default to staying in the kitchen.
All right. I think Blink is going to take the like plate of nuggets. Obviously, he gives one or two to Mercy right away.
Oh yeah, she's like immediately like she doesn't even bother putting them in her mouth, they're just gone.
I think he takes the like plate of nuggets upstairs. And if I recall right about the this area, there is like a balcony.
Oh, nice.
So I think he's gonna go out there. Um, he doesn't know like a ton about whatever Mercy's interests are. Well, he knows he. I mean, she doesn't have very many, I guess, at this point.
She
But
doesn't.
he does know she likes stars. So presuming it's a clear enough night, you can see him.
Yeah, she does enjoy that a lot. Like her nugget intake does slow as she just kind of quietly stargazes.
Yeah, it's a pretty good spot. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and have Blink say, Remind me to ask Zan to show you his telescope sometime.
Oh, I would like that.
He's a wizard. He's got to have a telescope, right? Shit.
She's probably gonna tell. I haven't. Well, telescopes.
Hmm? Sorry, I literally didn't catch what you said. I'm sorry.
Telescopes. I don't know if I've looked in one.
Huh. I mean, it's usually pretty. You usually kind of know if you're looking in one. Stuff looks a lot closer than it was.
I don't know if I have looked in one.
I don't know if Blink knows how to read that. I'm gonna have him
He's.
do like an insight maybe,
Yeah, okay.
cause that I'm not sure. Oh yep, he just gets a +1 for that. 20, supernatural
Damn.
20.
Yeah, that's pretty darn good. There was. You remember during the final encounter, a lot of
Mm-hmm.
Lady Combo's words were accusing Mercy of kind of stealing the face that she has?
Yes.
And now that she's referring to herself with emphasis, there might be something of
Mm.
note to that.
Well, she's separating. I'm gonna just say it because Blink got a 20 or whatever. But like, she's trying to separate out the older Mercy, right?
Yes.
So Blink kind of like muses on that for a moment. Probably eats a couple of chicken nuggets. He made a lot. Mercy will eat most of them.
Yeah. Of course she will. There will be no leftovers, not when
There will
Mercy's
not be
around.
leftovers. But Blink has eaten a few. Um, and he kind of like slowly nods as he like starts to kind of get it. He's like, hmm. I'll do. Hmm. Do you remember other things? Or only the things that you did?
No, I remember many things. Like Drinker.
And Blink just, again, like, turns his head inquisitively.
Oh, um, he was there in the dream.
Oh.
He always is.
And Blink, like,
He,
Blink processes that for a second. And he does the, like, hand on shoulder. He pauses long enough for Mercy to, like, push it away if she does not want to be touched.
she hesitates, but she kind of just lets it happen.
All right. Blink just kind of nods. I mean, he's somewhat assuming that there's a, relationship similar to whatever he has with Casey. Um, I mean, obviously it's somewhat important.
Of course.
So,
Bad things happen to good, important people.
of course. I think Blink just says like, do you want to tell me about him?
I don't know if I should. He was a researcher. He worked there.
Mm-hmm.
He was a friend.
Like nods. God, do
I
I
think.
want him to ask what happened?
Ooh. Do you?
I'm like super torn on this. Um, yeah, I mean, screw it. Right? We're doing game. I think, and again, Blink is she's being tactful here. I think he does just say like, "Do you want to talk about what happened? You don't have to, um, if you don't want to."
You saw most of what happened.
Hmm.
That's what the dreams were. He never makes it out. The Zorix always get to him first.
Hmm. Man, I have a question, but I don't know if Blink has this same question. Like being, I guess, by virtue of being in the same brain. Um. Yeah. The Zerlix. Those are the.
Zorix. Yes.
Those were the gooey guys.
Yes, that's what they called them.
And you're also.
Yes.
Huh. Were you there a long time?
That is a difficult question to answer.
Hmm.
I was never there, and I was there from the first day.
Okay, Blink really does not know how to interpret that. So.
It is hard to explain, and I do not want to scare you any more than you already must be.
Well, I mean, only if you don't want to. I don't know. I'm pretty I could be pretty brave. He like gives her like a quote unquote confident smile.
Confident boy. Oh.
I mean, obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. That's it's up to you. Whatever. Uh, he eats a nugget.
She eats a nugget.
Great.
Defining defining oneself is very hard. Even before all this,
Mm-hmm.
what makes someone who they are? When do they begin? Where do they end?
Blink, who has never thought about this like in his life. Hmm.
These are part of what they were researching, I suppose.
Oh, but I thought you said they're researching the um Zerlix.
Zorix, yes.
Zerix.
Their unique properties. Did did you did you hear what I was saying when I found Trinka?
I think Blink just like looks out to like into the rest of the forest and just goes, well, maybe in passing I was he kind of shakes his head,
Yeah.
like
I'm
clearing a
sorry.
thought.
Some things are best left alone, I suppose.
Well, I mean, sometimes, but how are things ever gonna get better if you don't you know go in and fix them?
But I don't want anyone else to get hurt.
Man, do I want Blink to have a bad habit of just saying shit that doesn't help or what?
He's an inquisitive boy.
Um, shit. I think Blink is going to like turn to her and just say, "Oh, I mean, yeah, but I don't think you'd let that happen."
She looks at him and like really looks at him. And you can see like the faintest glow from her eyes behind her veil as slowly her form kind of dissipates.
Blank, you've never seen me as I really am. You,
Well, I'm just trying to figure out how Blink would phrase it. Well, I mean, try me.
Oh, he's such a good boy. But the colors will fade away fairly rapidly as the form gets a lot less more defined. And when it's all done, she is left as slightly gooey, slightly humanoid shape.
I mean, what's funny is I don't even know if Blink is very startled by this because he did like see her as goo in a jar.
This is true.
Straight up. I mean, he's got a friend who's a literal shadow. He's got a friend who's two people.
Like seen enough.
Blink has seen a lot of things. I think his kind of immediate response. I mean, he doesn't like get scared or anything. You know, there's not like that. I think it's more curiosity.
Mm.
I think there's also kind of a level of concern as far as like. I think he kind of like. Blink is very tactile, so he's gonna hold out his hand again as if to touch.
you saw what happened there, Blank.
Well, yeah, but that's not. That wasn't you.
I don't know if it was.
Um. Yeah, no. I mean, I think he's going to do a touch.
She will kind of wince away at this touch, especially in this form.
Blank. Zorix consume what they can to take that form. They steal the memories of what they eat,
Oh.
and then they take it. They take their form, they take their memories, they take who they were, what they were.
Hmm. That. Hmm. Does it? Does it hurt? Not the. I mean. Gosh. I don't know. I don't know. Words hard.
I suppose it is a rather ominous moment as Mercy is in this very ominous, goopy form and with the stars shining behind her, and she's basically in her full splendor. And she kind of looks out to the balcony, out of the off the balcony, to the surrounding forest.
There was flowers when I first came to. I remember them. Then there were stars. Then there was her. But she wasn't there anymore. Not really.
Hmm. Blink wants to do a hug real bad. I won't lie.
Oh no, she doesn't want to risk
No,
anything.
I think he gets that. So he's just like he's doing the thing where he's kind of like fiddling with his hands
Yeah.
because I don't know if he also like knows what to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, Mercy's a little bit, I guess, frustrated with that. So she's just kind of keeping to herself and explaining as much as she
Yeah.
feels she can.
I mean, gosh, Blink is a fixer. You know what I mean? He
Yeah.
wants to help. Obviously, this is way out of his area of expertise, but he's
Yeah.
a fixer. He's a helper. You know. Um. I mean, I think if I'm gonna try and steer our conversation a little bit, I think he's gonna ask something like, do you, um, I'm trying to think of how to word this. Hang on. Do you like being her, or
Yes,
And slowly she will return to that form.
uh,
I do.
I think Blake kind of just nods. He does like a. Will, will she let him do a touch?
Yeah, once she's formed back.
Well, I think he like. I think he like it takes her hand, and just goes, well, I like when you're you, also. Um, I like you when you're her, but I also like you when you're you. Okay.
It's hard to find the difference.
Um, yeah, but I'm just I like wherever you're at in there. He's trying to like I don't know reassure, project a level of like confidence.
Oh. She'll kind of place a hand on top of his.
Thank you. I think I like me too.
Oh, you get a good smile out of that one. God, should I turn this a little sillier or what? What do you want to do?
Let's just fucking go.
I was gonna I was gonna say Blink. A little light bulb appears over his head because he's had an idea. And he goes, "Oh, Mercy, have you ever thought, I mean, you don't have. Have you ever thought of trying out some other ones?
What?
Not for. I mean, I like you and you also. But have you ever I don't know. Oh god. I don't know how to do this. Now it's awkward. Oh fuck.
Believe in you.
Launch. Did you disappear?
Huh?
Wait, I
No, I'm
think you
here.
disappeared for a sec.
Oh, did I?
Oh shit.
Hello? Am I here?
You're back now.
Oh my God. Okay.
I don't know. It feels. I don't know. I'm trying to do it, but it also kind of feels like it's not right for this conversation. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I'm sorry.
Other faces?
Yeah. Like like you could
She
do other
like
ones.
very slowly turns into Road. It takes her a bit. She's still recovering.
Have you ever cuz I mean you could be yeah, I mean you could be like a road or you could be like a someone else. Um have you ever thought about trying to do like just one that no one else has?
I don't know how to do that.
Hmm. I think I'm going to All right, Blink Blink is going to reach into his haversays and pull out like I don't know, a magazine. Not like he reads them often, but he's probably got something in there.
Of course, of course, of course.
Well, if you did like a eyes of one and
No, I like these.
oh, okay. The ones that Road doesn't have.
Yeah, yeah. Like you say, like yeah, like she'll say that, and then suddenly like two dots appear for Road's eyes, and it's very unsettling for anyone who knows Road. Um, and she shifts back to being Mercy.
Hmm. What about what about like a mouth?
Like this?
And she does like she opens her mouth, and it like her veil parts, and it's this very toothy maw.
Maybe. He like considers it for a minute, like oh god. I think he like starts flipping through this magazine and just showing her various tunes, and trying to help her like pick out different individual features.
She, oh man, she's you're gonna have to convince her to not do the Eldritch Maw, because she kind of sticks with that for a bit.
Oh, she's partial to
Um,
that one.
she sticks to the Eldritch Maw for a little bit. She'll change her outfit just to kind of. She doesn't really know exactly what she's doing, so it's kind of an amalgamation of everything. Um, She it's really you find out very quickly that doing like shoes and feet are kind of hard because she keeps her dress usually.
Oh,
Um
excellent. Good for her. God, me too.
So it's like if you mock try like or no, I don't know how well are you at drawing shoes, but like
No, don't
if
worry about it. I hate drawing
fucking
feet and shoes.
yeah, it's like when you're bad at drawing shoes and you try to draw shoes, it's basically like that's what any shoe attempt from her looks like. She's just like,
I don't get it.
I think Blink like momentarily kicks off his boots and he's like, "Yeah, that's he's just got like little like the Pete's. Yeah, he does not
little
have
Pete's.
individual toes.
Yeah, he's a little
It's
Pete.
almost like he's wearing socks, but like
Good.
this
Please. I
shape
don't
is
think I could handle if like had like
no.
individual.
We're not manifesting that.
I'm not saying anything else.
Um oh god.
It's too late. It has manifested into this
I'm
world.
going to cut this out of the audio recording.
uh,
And we
but
have like
she's
a montage like sequence of different
montage sequence.
things,
She tries hats. She
different
gets stuck in a
hairstyles.
hat.
She gets stuck as a hat.
Fucking funny hat man from a game that didn't do too well that shall be not be named. I don't know. His hat, like his eyes are in his hat. Probably gets stuck
Okay,
like
funny
that.
hat guy.
Funny hat guy. Probably gets stuck with her eyes in her hat. It's just like,
F.
I don't see the appeal.
Um, I don't. I wanted to plan like some specific things, but I did not get that far. So
we don't plan here. We just go.
we just go.
Edited in post.
Um, I think at some point they kind of like run out of ones, and Mercy is just like this like as if almost as if you've like cut and pasted individual pictures from this like magazine.
Yeah.
It's like one
Stylistic differences do not mesh well at all.
no, and he kind of like looks her up and down, and he's like, hmm, nah.
Really? I sort of like it.
I mean, if you like it, it's alright, but
No, I was kidding. I do not enjoy this.
She reverts, like all the stuff reverts back very quickly.
I think Bleach just says, well, it's important to try new things. Now you know that you don't like those.
I don't like new things.
No.
I have learned I do not like new things. This is
No,
very
that's
helpful
not.
to know.
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
Those specific things as parts of you.
I do not like new things to be a
No,
part
no,
of
no,
me.
stop saying it. Don't, internalize that.
It is internalized.
No, stop doing it.
I don't know how to make it stop. It's too late. But if I don't like new things and that concept is a new thing, would I not like that?
Blink doesn't know how to handle this now. He's like, oh god, I messed up. I broke her. Oh shit.
You can insight.
Yeah. 11.
Okay, you don't notice like the slight grin in her voice that makes it very obvious that she's kind of just being an ass on purpose.
I think he even goes into like, okay, well, but no, new things are important, and you gotta, it's okay to try them, and you gotta, do that. I think he gets like partway into this. I think before he like actually realizes that. Hey, wait
Yeah,
a minute.
Mercy's just content watching this play out.
Like I think I think the 11 means he doesn't notice it right away.
Yeah.
He gets like pretty far down this spiel about, oh, it's important to try new things, whatever, like you would like a child. Um, he's like, hey, wait a minute.
Yes.
You hmm. No, you do like new things.
No.
Uh, no, I think you do.
No, I do not. You said it. I do not enjoy new things. You
That's
said I
not what I
shouldn't
said.
analyze it.
No.
Yes.
You like to try new things, because when you try new things, you smile, like like now. He like points at her face, which is really just eyes, but like
Yeah.
if there's anyone who can read a face that's just eyes,
Probably be another face that's
Blink.
just eyes.
yeah. And he kind of smiles just because like she's making a joke,
Yeah.
which is good. Toon bonding.
Toon bonding.
I have learned nothing new.
Hmm.
Absolutely nothing.
No. You definitely didn't. Man, I think
She looks at you for like a quick second, and then she's
he's
just like,
he's doing a
No,
little smile now.
I
Sorry,
have
guys.
learned one thing.
and she will transform into Blink, except Blink is now wearing the ridiculous outfit that she had on before.
Oh god. Hi.
I have learned you are a good friend, Blink.
Oh, I think he's like surprised, but also like delighted.
Oh,
He's like, Mercy, you're a good friend too. Um, can he get a hug?
yeah, he can get a hug, but she's not changing out of that outfit.
No, it's okay. You know what else we should get?
What?
Some more nugs.
Yes.
Do you want to finish that there?
Yeah, I think that's a
Because I
good way
think
to
that would be
finish
great.
it. Wow, what a
We've
roller coaster.
we've done it. We've done the thing.
We've done an FPS.
I'm gonna stop the recording. So, thanks, folks, for listening.
Song, suckers.
Farewell. Bye.